Moon Mission 589 has begun. I repeat, Moon Mission 589 has begun. Why, guys? Look at the screen right now. Do you guys see what I see? I spy with my little eyes from Will Alert 1 billion USDT minted at Tether Treasury. What did we talk about? Jerome Powell will give Powell the call, guys, to start printing. Right? It's go time. Now, check this out. There is a 3-day delay for this to occur. I have realized usually whenever Tether starts printing a billion USDT, it usually, I don't know the specific time or the delay, guys, but it's usually a 3-day delay, right? Most of the time. And then suddenly the markets start pumping, right? So we're going to see today's the 13th. It actually did pump. Why? So wait, the markets did actually pump though, right? This was minted at 8:10 a.m. guys. But this happened, right? Breaking, July PPI inflation falls to 2.2%. It came out today, guys, below expectations of 2.3%. Core PPI inflation falls to 2.4%, below expectations of 2.7%. Right? Do you guys not see what's happening? A September rate cut, it's on its way, guys. The Federal Reserve is about to become bullish, right? Because inflation is falling. But wait a moment. This came out on 8:30 a.m., okay, 8:30, the news, but they tweeted this, or they minted USDT literally 20 minutes before that news came out, right? Inflation. I told you guys, it's all insider info, guys, right? The pump maybe already supposedly happened. I guess we did pump. Though, if we haven't, we're still going to pump harder. Because when Tether starts printing, guys, this is insane. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be talking about Tether, Bitcoin, and XRP. XRP, our time has come. Our time has come. Moon Mission 589. I repeat, Moon Mission 589. Tether is printing more, bullish for Bitcoin, right? I have noticed that Tether doesn't really inject liquidity into XRP, but for Bitcoin, Ethereum, it does. But though, if Bitcoin rises, XRP will as well, because it's all liquidity bonded together. Everything will rise. Orange line is Tether printing, guys, and candlesticks is Bitcoin. Okay, Tether starts printing. What happens to Bitcoin's price? Exactly, moves higher, right? They have been gobbling up this consolidation phase, probably preparing for this, guys. That the next leg higher, that mini blow off top, which I've been waiting for, right? Even though inflation went down, guys, nobody looks at their bills and actually believes inflation is down, right? So as we can see for Bitcoin, look at this, guys. Let me just remove this. For Bitcoin, it's looking really well, right? Because of them printing. Look what happened. And the next support line is about 58K. Next resistance will be 63K, guys. Now, you guys see how that pumped Bitcoin like 5%? That's not all, guys. Tomorrow there's an important, even a crazier, a more important date, guys, and it's the Consumer Price Index, right? So for inflation, it's coming out August 14th, guys, for July's reading, okay? And if this is lower than expectations, like how this came about today, guys, okay, lower than expectations, below expectations, what's going to happen to Bitcoin and XRP and Ethereum? Exactly, pump harder again and again and again. I told you guys this week is literally very important, right? It's very volatile on all sorts of stuff, guys, right? So tomorrow's CPI inflation data is crucial, guys, because Wall Street is currently showing 2.9% as a consensus expectation. However, there is a 37% chance of inflation coming in above 2.9%. If it comes above 2.9, that's not good, guys, okay? So here's the threshold. This is 2.9%, okay? 2.9%. If inflation comes around this level, it's just going to be neutral. If inflation comes above this level, right, it's going to be bad. Probably a dump. But if it comes lower than 2.9, right, it's going to be bullish, guys. It's going to be bullish, right? So what are we thinking? I'm hoping it comes below expectations, right? So what's going to happen, guys? I guess time will tell. But what I do know is the markets are in extreme fear, if not fear, right? And a lot of people are being on the sidelines, right? They're not even in the markets right now, right? they're waiting for confirmation and all sorts of stuff. So if I were them, I would just pump it, to be honest, right? Because we know when the Federal Reserve starts cutting, that's when the top is near, or I guess the first top before the second one enters later next year or whatever. Now, more bullish news are coming out and about because Russian central bank governor said Tuesday that Bitcoin and crypto-based payments would begin taking place before the end of 2024. I told you guys. I told you, no one else called it except us. The timeline's getting confirmed like never before, folks. Never before, right? Look what it says before the end of 2024. Okay, can I even move this to the right? I can't. But it says before the end of 2024, right? That Bitcoin and crypto based payments would begin taking place before the end of 2024. Why is that strange? Is because supposedly China is about to unban Bitcoin and Bitcoin mining before 2024 ends as well, right? Why are all these things happening before the end of 2024, right? Not 2025, but 2024. It seems like all these things will probably occur around this area, guys, right? Before the black zone enters, so everyone gets tricked. So for now, this is bullish, guys, right? We're probably going to go higher because BlackRock just bought 500,000 Bitcoin. Fidelity buys more Bitcoin, right? Bitwise bought more Bitcoin. What's happening there? Exactly, they're all buying. But I wanted to point this out because there's no reason to panic, guys. This Bitcoin bull cycle is still yet to start, right? I told you guys, no one else is calling like us, but everyone's saying the top is coming in soon, which I do believe a mini top will, a mid-cycle top will soon, not the overall top. The overall top probably end of 2025, if not 2026. The reason being is because this is Bitcoin, guys, and this pertains towards all altcoins as well, and XRP and everything, right? Because everything follows Bitcoin. So whenever Bitcoin tops, altcoins top there as well. Okay. So check this out. This is price performance since halving, right? The epoch number 5 is the black line. Look how we're literally behind each other epochs and halvings. Okay. That means the actual top, if there is a top, comes in next year, towards the end of next year, or somewhere like this, guys, even maybe 2026, right? Exactly. Everyone's in a hurry, guys. I don't know, but we want to pray and wish it lasts. This bull run lasts until 2026 because we're going to make so much money. We're going to literally be laughing towards the decentralized bank, guys. I think Bitcoin's about to crash hard here. So this is inverse. So if it crashes, it means it pumps, right? It is looking like it's holding resistance at this level because it's inverse, guys. So meaning it's holding support right now. So when Bitcoin goes higher, right, everything else will. It's just consolidating, guys. Probably for next leg up, next leg higher. Though I think the confirmation will be taking place tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be very important, guys. Let's see what happens because it determines it all. Now, what's really strange and odd to me is this came out today, right before CPI news, inflation reports, everything, guys, right? So strange to me because supposedly an XRP ETF is coming. Been nominal to launch a XRP USD futures XUS. They notified the Commodities Future Trading Commission (CFTC) on this initial trading intent to trade after August 13th. This is before possibly an ETF goes live, right? ETF and bound. So, but Nominal Exchange LLC, a designated contract market, hereby notifies the Commodities Future Trading Commission that it is hereby submits for self-certification its initial listing of the XRP US dollar futures. Contracts will be offered for trading on the exchange for an intended trade date on or after August 13th, 2024. XRP US dollars or dollar futures related rules will be added to BitNominal rulebook, guys. Look at that. Right. Interesting, isn't it? And people are still bearish on this bull market. Right. Again, it's crazy to me because during bull markets, everyone believes it's easy, right? It's actually not. Look at all the emotions from everyone, guys. Then we got our LUSD testing. We're going live soon. And the verbal case already happened, but I guess until October 6th. Then we have futures rate more leverage, let's just say, more volatility, and more to come, right? Such as an ETF, and we got from Bloomberg themselves For your information from Bloomberg Crypto, this pertains towards alt season. Why? The outcome of Ripple's SEC case should help shape the future of other crypto battles, right? And we know that Gary Gensler doesn't like altcoins, right? The SEC don't like altcoins, guys. Ripple's case bodes well for other crypto companies battling SEC. Exactly, right? Ripple effects. Wow, it's literally what? Like a ripple effect, right? Interesting. One of the most watched legal cases in crypto reached a major milestone last week when a federal judge ordered Ripple Labs Inc. to pay a $125 million civil penalty for selling its XRP token to institutional investors without registering it with the SEC, right? And if you go down here, the decision was widely viewed by the industry as a victory and a check on the SEC's authority, although the regulator touted it as a validation of its approach and a confirmation that the securities laws can apply to cryptocurrencies, right? And if we go down here, pay the penalty off our balance sheet with cash. We are glad to have this finally behind us, guys, from Sir Alderodi, right? The Ripple's general counsel, guys. So, still, the battle is not quite over yet, as SEC could challenge the judge's decision on appeal. But the outcome could already be helping to shape the future of crypto legal cases. It's like the Ripple test, Ripple's standard test, right? There you guys go, guys. Is that clear? Wow. Coinbase Global Inc. in its battle against agency could boost its odds of a favorable decision in that case. Don't we see what's happening? Right? So much bullish news from not only XRP, but with altcoins, then Bitcoin, then inflation. All this just seems bullish narratives to me, doesn't it? Before the black swan enters, XRP is the number four asset in the Bitwise ETF index fund, guys. Right? Hopefully soon it's higher than Solana. So you tell me, is XRP going to reach hundreds of dollars one day? With everything happening, with patterns and the charts look explosive, and Bitcoin looks explosive, everything else looking very well? To me, it seems like this portion is coming soon. It seems like this portion is coming soon, guys. And that's what I've been waiting for since literally 7 years. This is a financial advice. I'm super excited to see what happens next, but I'm ready. Are you prepared for tomorrow as well? And let's go. What is that? So face me says, see ya.